Do you have an online business and you're worried about the economy and where things are going? Because we're seeing lots of signs that things are not looking good for the future. And so if you've got an online business and you're struggling right now, you're just not sure what to do to try to grow it, and you're thinking maybe you should sell it. Well, I've got some interesting news I think you're going to want to see and learn. You see, there's different platforms online that will allow you to sell these assets. And one of them is called acquire.com. And typically once or twice a year, they do a report based on the data they have in their system. And they just came out with a new updated one yesterday where they were sharing average multiples. Now, the average multiples, unfortunately, have dropped for online businesses. A year ago, if you had a SaaS business, they were in the 5 to 5.5 range or even higher. And today they've dropped to just below 5. So they're at 4.97. Now that's the average. Some are still going for above that price, but many are going below. And that's just a sign of the economy. Now, that being said, is last couple of years, the M&A market for online businesses was down. But the good news is things are clearly turning around because all the signs are pointing to more M&A activity as we get into 2024. And there's a lot of dry powder on the sidelines. And so you have that much capital sitting on the sidelines. Businesses and various companies and individuals, PE firms are looking to invest that capital. And so look for the right opportunity, which is why you need to try to get your business moving to the right direction where you're increasing your revenue and increasing, more importantly, your profitability. Because again, an acquiring entity coming in is going to look for that profit growth as it's going through the last 6, 12, 18 months. So if you can get your business where you're showing that, then that's going to put you in the best position to get the most money for it. Because that's what you should be thinking anyway. And yet, because of all the changes in the marketplace, whether it's Facebook ads or any kind of online traffic sources, there's been a lot of changes recently. Google continues to make changes to their algorithms. So you might be slapped with SEO changes and so all of a sudden your traffic drops. And so those are the things you got to be really careful about as we're moving forward. And so if you're stressed out, you're losing sleep, you're not sure what to do, go ahead and click the button around this link or send me a DM. We can set up a time to chat and I can point some things out to you. You'd be surprised in a 30-minute call what I can uncover on where you may be stuck. And just those couple changes in your business will allow you to start to move that needle and increase your revenue and increase your profit. As I've experienced personally time and time again, that there's the old saying goes, small hinges open up big doors. So if that's you, go ahead and either click the link somewhere on this video or drop a comment below and we can set up a time to chat. All right, thanks.